Righto. Final adventure. The weather's unreal. It's just glass. It's 12:30 and it's glass. So we're going to go up to Beehive Point, and opposite Beehive we're going to camp. I'm hoping for a bass, but I don't think we will. It's pretty late in the season. But I have bought some burley for some carp, so I hope that we can get a few of those just for the fun of it and see what we can do with them. This weather is unbelievable. It's just beautiful. So I hope it stays like this for the next few days, and I'll see how we go. Hours, but never mind, this is where I'm at. Not a bad spot. I'm sure this is the one that was on Google Earth. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was the one on Google Earth, but it's too windy to fish. I'm just going to pitch camp and have a rest for a minute, maybe have a cup of coffee, and then I'll go back out and not go fishing when it gets like glasses off a bit, I hope. Good morning everyone. Saturday morning, I've reached a fish. And I've lost the longest rod and reel over the side. Today just does it. Can't get any better than that. Fortunately I've got a spare rod and a fly rod, so I can keep fishing, but what is the point of dropping that other one? Maybe it's calm. Okay, got a bit of a fire going. Saturday night. It's been a big day today, losing rods and reels over the side and keep forgetting stuff. That's why I miss Kim, but anyway, we'll battle on. Got to get up early tomorrow morning. We've got no alarm, can't fix me watch to make it go off, battery's buggered in the phone, so I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that I don't sleep in to 10:30 or 11 o'clock. I've got to go home to ring Kim, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Beautiful afternoon, just finishing off. Weather's perfect, it's just glass. The sun's about to set, so finish setting up camp. Have a brew, something to eat, go to bed. That's the plan. Hello. Bit of a problem today. The weather's just perfect. Look at that. Glassing at 10:30 in the morning, so it can't work. Last time I was here, it was blowing a go. But yes, we've had a couple of small issues. While taking the wheels off the kayak yesterday, it bent over into the water. The middle hatch was open, and a bucket of water has gone into the hatch. Didn't realise it when I did it, but so I was towing about 30 litres in the boat, maybe, all the way here.
couldn't understand why I was late. But anyway, the other disaster we had, because I'm just full of disasters, is the food bag, the yellow food bag that I put my food in, to, you know, a bag, a waterproof bag, was in the bottom of the kayak, and it had cordial in it. A container of cordial about that deep, so I could sweeten up the water I was drinking. The screw cap's come off undone off that, and it's made everything in the bag sticky and horrible. So I've had to take it all out this morning and wash it and put it on the bag to dry. Nothing has been compromised inside of the containers. It's just they're sticky and horrible and wet. But I'm sure it's going to get better. I'm going to look for some fish today. I'm going to look for some fish and look for some birds, because I've got my bird book and my binoculars with me, so hopefully I'll get some worms. Birds, I mean. That's really funny. Beautiful weather.